How to check login activity on Gmail. So go ahead and open your Google Chrome application since there are features in this browser that is not available on the Gmail app itself. In here, type in gmail.com. Make sure that your email is logged in here. Now click on the three lines icon here on the upper left corner. This inbox, labels, and more settings will show, and on the bottom part of the screen, you will see an option on how you want to view your email. We are now in the mobile version. Next to it is the older version, but what we need is the desktop version, so click on the word desktop. Your inbox will show here, and on the bottom part of the screen, click on the word details. Once this page has loaded, you can now see the recent activity of your Gmail account, along with its used browser, location and IP address, and the date or time when they accessed the Gmail. So that is how to check login activity on Gmail. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.